Oh my word, I feel so good today, man. It was like rush hour, man. So we have to show you what we do at Allman Lodge. That is it. Go on, man. Welcome to Allman Lodge, man. This is how we do it. Oh, oh my word. Sorry, boy. When I came this morning, I heard we have an emergency wedding, man. My feet are paining me, man. It's like my feet are on fire. My feet are on fire, man. Oh my word, Althea Taylor, natural life is outside my people. We all got it done, man. Big up to the big lady. Big up to the big man. I told him, don't worry, man, we have this. We have this, man. We have this. Allman Lodge it is. Remember I told you we do wedding parties. You're going in? Oh yeah, pray. Yeah, man, I feel pray. So this is how we do it, my viewers and subscribers. Come to Allman Lodge, Jamaica it is. So we're doing a wedding, man. Natural nature of life. The man say him have to bust a prayer. Oh my word. This is it! This is it, my viewers and subscribers. Share my life. Take me for a walk. Hey, 'cause I'll ever change all my colors. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. I've been holding back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Come to Allman Lodge, my people. You get it right here. You don't make me close one more door. I don't want. That's how we do it, man. That's your day. Enjoy your day, man. I told you I'll get it right for you.
Yes, I appreciate it.
Thank you. You can always come back to Allman Lodge, man. Remember, I told you this morning not to worry.
Yeah.
This is the definite spot.
This is the setup. Right?
This is the setup. And you can tell somebody else about it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Pleased to meet
Absolutely,
you. And
yes.
I have to run now because
Yeah.
I have to go fishing.
Okay.
So enjoy the rest of your
you too.
evening. All
Don't
right.
forget plenty fish tomorrow.
And I met your wife.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
so
right,
sweet.
Yeah.
All right then. All right. So it's Allman Lodge, my people. That is it. Pastor. Outside.